Hi, so next we want to see an example of duration of a single cash flow. So remember that the duration measures price sensitivity to a change in interest rate. So I want to demonstrate this with an example. So when the interest rate goes up from 4% to 4.1%, how much do 10-year and 20-year zero coupon bond prices change respectively? Okay, so interest rate goes up from 4% to 4.1%. So interest rate goes up, so the price of the bond goes down. So both 10-year and 20-year bonds. But we expect the 20-year bond goes down more because it involves 20 years of interest. Okay, so now we want to calculate these two. So at first, we want to calculate the price when interest rate is 4%. So what's the price for the 10-year bond, 10-year zero coupon bond at 4%? So this one, the price is equal to 100. This is the redemption value times 1.04 to the power negative 10. So this is 67.556. And how about 20-year bond at 4%, the same rate? Then P is equal to 100 times 1.04 to the power negative 20. So this becomes 45.639. Okay, so what happens when interest rate goes up from 4% to 4.1%? Then 10-year bond at 4.1%, P is equal to 100 times 1.041 to the power negative 10. So this is 66.910. How about 20-year bond at 4.1%? So this price is 100 times 1.041 to the negative 20th power. So this is equal to 44.770. Okay. So how about price change? So price change in percentage of 10-year bond. So this is equal to 6.910 minus 67.556. We pick these numbers over 67.556. So price goes down. So this should be negative number, and this is actually negative 0.956%. So when interest rate changes by 0.1%, then the price goes down by almost negative 1%. So goes down by 1%. So 10 times larger than 0.1 because this is 10-year bond, 10-year of interest. Okay, so how about price change in percentage of 20-year bond? So we expect almost this is doubled. But actually, this is what? This is, okay, so this number minus this number over this number. So 44.770 minus 45.639 over 45.639. And this becomes negative 1.904%. So actually, this is almost twice as large as this. So approximately 2 times. So now you can see that the price sensitivity is twice as much for 20-year bond, and duration is also twice as much. So duration measures the price sensitivity. So the bond with a longer duration usually has, there is one remark. So we assume that the yield rate is the same for two bonds, but usually a bond with a longer duration has a higher yield rate because it involves more risk. So usually we have more risk than we ask more return if the person is risk averse. So the usually yield rate is different for 10 and 20-year bonds. But here we assume that yield rates are the same. Okay, so this is the example for 10.A. Okay, see you then.